I have my script liner now, which is the brush in our pack that has the longer bristles, okay? And what you want to do with this, while I'm painting the whole time, I'm resting my hand on a dry part of this board. I'm like this when I do this with my canvas too. So you're not shaky. It's better than being up in the air. You want to lay your, like, the right almost at your wrist, the palm of your hand down, okay? Also grip it by the metal. This is the ferrule right here. Grip it by there, and then just lightly pull. Even if you're so shaky, you have a, you know, Parkinson's, essential tremors, any movement disorder, you can paint. I'm telling you. You think that you can't do the things that you love, you definitely can. I see it all the time. We get letters about it. I'm going to make a little bit more of a dash up at the top for the antennas at the top. Okay, so you can do it too. I'm 100% sure of it. And, you know, I talk about this also. I have a spinal cord injury. It's pretty extensive, very extensive, with a disc shoved in right behind my lungs into it. And I get really shaky. And this is why I bring this up too, to tell other people you can do it. Like, the more I use my arms, the shakier I am. And so I can still paint though. My dad has terrible essential tremors. You know, he's leaning more towards 80 this year, and but he can still, he finds a way to thread that, you know, fishing hook and things. There's ways we can find our way. So I just want to let you know that, you know, find your joy, you know, for sure.